Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's been curious about cryptocurrency or affiliate marketing but haven't known where to start, you're in for a treat. In this video, I'm going to review something that has caught my attention recently: CryptoGram profits. This system has been making waves, and today I'm going to walk you through what it is, how it works, and why it might just be the solution you've been looking for to tap into the crypto market without all the stress and risk. Let's face it, the crypto world can be pretty intimidating. The prices fluctuate. You have to learn about wallets, exchanges, and technical analysis. And let's not forget how emotionally draining it can be to watch your investments go up and down in the blink of an eye. For many of us, trading crypto directly just isn't an option. That's where CryptoGram Profits comes in, offering a chance to profit from the cryptocurrency boom without ever having to trade a single coin yourself. CryptoGram Profits is essentially a step-by-step system designed to help you make money from cryptocurrency affiliate marketing. You don't need any special skills, prior experience, or even a large investment to get started. All you need is the willingness to follow a simple process. And the potential to start earning passive income is right at your fingertips. The process is broken down into 3 easy steps. The first step is all about finding the right crypto platforms to promote. CryptoGram Profits teaches you how to find affiliate programs that offer high-paying commissions. Some of them pay a 30% lifetime commission on all transactions made by people you refer. That means if someone signs up through your link and starts trading, you get a percentage of their trading fees for life without lifting a finger. You're not making money by trading, you're making money by referring others to platforms that are already making them money. Once you've found these high-converting platforms, the next step is launching your campaign. Now, I know what you're thinking. Setting up a campaign sounds like it's going to cost a ton of money, right? Well, with CryptoGram Profits, that's not the case. The system reveals a secret traffic platform that allows you to launch budget-friendly marketing campaigns. Instead of spending a small fortune on expensive ads like Google or Facebook, you'll be using this overlooked platform, which is far more affordable and has a better return on investment. All you need to start is a small investment, around 20% ton, which is roughly $68. It's a low-risk entry point that allows you to start generating traffic and referrals without draining your wallet. Now, here's the best part. Once your campaign is up and running, you don't have to keep hustling or chasing leads. The system is designed for passive income. You get a 30% lifetime commission on every transaction your referrals make, and that income keeps coming in as long as they're active. It's like setting up a machine that works for you in the background, allowing you to sit back, relax, and watch the commissions roll in. What makes CryptoGram Profits even more attractive is how quickly you can scale your efforts. While traditional advertising methods are expensive and competitive, CryptoGram Profits shows you how to access ultra-affordable crypto traffic, allowing you to reach people who are genuinely interested in crypto offers. This means you can generate qualified leads for as low as 30 cents per click, and those clicks have a higher chance of converting into paying customers. You don't need to worry about paying $5, $10 per click like you would on other platforms. This system allows you to get in front of people who are actually looking to engage with crypto offers for a fraction of the cost. One of the most impressive aspects of CryptoGram Profits is its flexibility. While it's primarily focused on crypto offers with lifetime commissions, the secret traffic platform works incredibly well across other niches as well. Whether it's mobile apps, trading platforms, VPN services, or even cybersecurity products, you can apply the same methods to promote offers in other high-paying markets. This opens up unlimited opportunities to scale your income and diversify your affiliate marketing efforts. The best part? You don't need to be an expert in crypto or affiliate marketing to make this work. CryptoGram Profits is beginner-friendly. The training is comprehensive, with video guides that walk you through each step, from setting up your campaigns to optimizing them for maximum returns. So even if you're a complete newbie, you'll be able to follow along and get results without feeling lost or overwhelmed. What's even better is the low-risk nature of the system. With just a small initial investment, you could start seeing results. Demetris, for example, invested just $76.70 and generated 74 referral signups. Those signups are now bringing in ongoing commissions. Imagine doing that on a larger scale. The potential is real. If you've been searching for a way to make passive income without dealing with the volatility of the crypto market or the complexities of trading, CryptoGram Profits could be exactly what you need. And with the 30-day money-back guarantee, you have absolutely nothing to lose by giving it a try. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future, start your journey with CryptoGram Profits today. You can start small, scale up as you go, and enjoy the rewards of a system that works for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.